Welcome, today I am with ZTE Blade V8 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can connect to the Wi-Fi network. So at first you have to open your notification bar and then click and hold the Wi-Fi icon. And the next steps, you have to turn on this switcher by tapping on it once, and after that you have to choose available Wi-Fi network. And basically we can tap right here, maybe on the Zenfone 7 Pro, and then just input the password. So in my case it's very common. Click here to show password and then tap connect. As you can see, after a few moments we will be connected to the new Wi-Fi network. And that's all. If you have any problem and you don't have here any available networks, you can tap in this place to refresh the search of the Wi-Fi by your phone. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.